Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when the Wi-Fi is not working on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will be first running a command to ping for errors to see if the error is in driver or in the software. So to do that, please open first your run window and please simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the run option, or you can just go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will get the same kind of window just like this one. So here in this run dialog, we need to type, let me just type it in lowercase, ping 127.1.1.1 space hyphen t, and then select on OK or enter. And then once you have done that, and then you're getting this kind of reply or notification, that means uh, that the error is not in the software. So the next thing we need to do is to check for Wi-Fi settings. So if the ping test doesn't provide any results, then you need to go to network and internet settings. So please go to your control panel. Here in the Windows search tab, we need to type control, and then you will get under best match the control panel option. So once you click on this one, it will automatically open the control panel window. All you need to do is just to go to this view by options and select the category 1. So once you have already get this kind of window, all you need to do is just to select this network and internet option, and then select this network and sharing center, and then proceed with the change adapter settings here in the left pane. Now once you click on this one, you will be seeing the network connection that you're connected with. All you need to do is just to enable it once you see that it is disabled. Now to check if it is disabled, if you're seeing it grayed out, so just like this one, if you're seeing it this way, then that means it's disabled. But we need to enable this one. So to do that, simply make a right click and then click on this enable button here, and then let's just wait for the enabling process to be done, and we will proceed with the next option, which is network reset. Now that our network connection is already enabled, then we can now proceed with the settings. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the settings option. Here we need to go to the network and internet option, and then if you scroll down, you will find this advanced network settings option where we can view all network adapters and network reset. So please make a click on that. Under more settings section, you will be seeing this network reset option where you can reset all network adapters to factory settings. Now once you click on this one and then click on reset now button, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So you might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Now once you're done with this one, just please click on yes, and then just make a quick restart with your device after confirming it. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the device manager and update our Wi-Fi driver. So please just close all these windows and make a right click here in the Windows icon, select the device manager option, and then here we need to click on this scan for hardware changes icon, or you can just select one option here and then select this action tab, go for scan for hardware changes option. And then the next thing you need to do, if Wi-Fi drivers are missing or updated, then we need to right click on the please select first the network adapters, and then right click on the wireless LAN card option, select this update driver option, select this browse my computer for drivers, and then proceed with let me pick. And then here, all you need to do is just to select this MediaTek or any driver here that is the older or the later version. Please just don't select the latest one. And then once you have done that, click on this next button to install, and then just wait for the notification that says that the Windows has successfully updated your driver. After doing that, after the installation, just close all these windows and then make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, verify the Wi-Fi connection. See if the Wi-Fi is now available or visible, and you can now connect to the internet. Okay, so after the restart, the Wi-Fi should now be, or the Wi-Fi issues should now be resolved. So that's it. If you found this video helpful and if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.